In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a mock-up with perspective in PowerPoint. If you're looking to elevate your presentations with a touch of professional flair, adding perspective to your images can make a huge difference. Let's get started with the process. First, launch PowerPoint on your desktop. It's important to ensure you're working with the most current version of PowerPoint to access all the features easily. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, you can decide whether you want to open an existing presentation or create a new one. In any case, add your photos, tables, and other content, as these elements will serve as the foundation for your mockup. Now that your presentation is set up, navigate to the Insert tab. Here, you'll have the option to click on Pictures. This is where you can choose the image you want to incorporate into your mockup. Selecting a screenshot or any image you wish to add perspective to can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your slide. Once your image is inserted, it's time to format it. Simply right-click on the image and select Format Picture. This step will reveal the format pane on the right side of your screen, offering a wealth of customization options to explore. Next, click on the effects icon, which is represented by a pentagon shape. This will present you with various effects you can apply to your image. For our purposes, we'll focus on adding a three-dimensional aspect. Expand the 3D rotation menu, which is key to creating that sought-after perspective. You'll see a Presets drop-down menu within this section. Click on it and scroll down to find the styles under the Perspective category. Here, you can explore different options and pick a style that resonates with your creative vision. After selecting a perspective preset, you may want to adjust the angle to better fit your layout. Within the 3D rotation menu, you'll find settings for X rotation, Y rotation, and Z rotation. These allow you to manually tweak the angle until it seamlessly integrates into your slide design. Simply use the sliders or type in specific values to achieve the exact effect you're aiming for. This straightforward method allows you to add depth and professionalism to your PowerPoint presentations with minimal effort. Whether you're preparing for a business proposal or an academic project, these steps will ensure your presentation stands out. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add perspective to your images in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.